Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and unique pasta sauce using yogurt. This guide will help you create a creamy, flavorful sauce that's a fantastic alternative to traditional recipes. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the crucial steps for incorporating yogurt smoothly, ensuring your sauce is perfectly balanced and never curdles. Get ready to transform your pasta dishes with this simple yet elegant addition. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful sauce. You'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Its richness is key for a creamy texture. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, 1 minced clove of garlic for aromatic depth, and a half cup of vegetable broth. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and your favorite fresh herbs like dill or parsley for a vibrant finish. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Start by gently sautéing your minced garlic in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-low heat for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, whisk in the half cup of vegetable broth and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to reduce slightly. This step concentrates the flavors. Crucially, remove the pan from the heat before gradually stirring in the 1 cup of yogurt until it's completely smooth and well combined. For the perfect finish, gently fold in the 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and your chosen fresh herbs, like a tablespoon of chopped dill or parsley, into the warm sauce. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor and freshness. Immediately toss this creamy, unique sauce with your freshly cooked pasta. Serve it warm to fully appreciate its delicate tang and rich texture. Enjoy this simple, yet sophisticated, yogurt pasta sauce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.